Hello everybody, today I'll show how to make a heart. Actually this is the fun video, so you can take it enjoyable. So at first I'm taking the new file. Okay, then I'm going to select the MMGS, then front plane is selected, then go to the sketch and select the center line and draw a center line. It will be 70. Okay, done. Then go to the SP line, then draw a side, one side already done. Then go to the mirror, click here and another click on center line. Okay, done. Then exit the drawing, then go to here and select the extruded boss, click here. Okay, done. It will be 20. Okay, done. Then I can change the color. Okay, red color is taken. Okay, and I'm going here for isometric view. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.